Hello friends, today we are going to make this awesome origami plane. This plane looks so cool and flies really far. So let's get started. We will need a A4 or A5 size sheet. You can use a regular printer paper if you want. Now along the center we have to fold the paper in half. Then open the paper. Now along the dotted line, fold the paper. Repeat the same fold on the other side. Now again we'll take help of these dotted lines to fold the paper. Now you guessed it right, we have to do the same on the other side. Now turn the paper over and then take the pointy edge and match it towards the edge of the paper. Make nice creases. Now again flip the paper and then match the two sides as shown in the video. Now repeat the same fold on the other side. Feel free to rewind and watch the video again if you are not able to get any fold. Now turn the paper over and then along the dotted line fold it. We are just a few steps away from the model. Now flip it back again and then again from the dotted line fold the paper. Now fold the paper in half. Because of multiple folds, the paper is a bit thick now, so make sure you align all the creases nicely. Now take one side and match both the edges as shown in the video. Repeat the same on the other side. One last time, tighten all the creases and your paper plane is ready. Just before flying the plane, roll up the back of the wings and it will fly really far. If you want to learn more cool origami like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel.